So I'm going to log into DigitalOcean. You'll see that I've got 3 forums that I already run from there. And you're going to create a droplet. This is where your forum's going to be hosted. Go to one-click apps, Discourse. Now, what you can do is they've offered a lot of normal packages here. It depends which one you want to use. I generally use these $15 a month ones. And it does seem to change on a daily basis, this. During setup, you want to use the faster one. If you don't think you're going to have many people coming in and you want to downgrade later, and I'll show you how to resize it actually. Resize DigitalOcean droplet, right? I'll show you how you can upgrade and downgrade depending on what you've got. But I go with the $15 a month one. It seems to work fine. It's fast, and I don't have any problems. When I've tried it on the $5 a month from start, the setup fails. The setup slows down. So you want to do it. It actually doesn't matter because you're not going to get charged. You're going to get charged for how many hours it's being used. So you don't get charged $15 straight away. You get charged on that prorated day, and then you can downgrade later. But on your setup, you want to use a fast enough version. So I'm going to click the $15 a month, 2 CPUs. I'm going to enable backups. It's basically 20% more on the bill, but you want to enable it because obviously if it goes down, you want to be able to get back into it. Wherever your main community people are going to be from, you want to put the data center as close to them. So obviously I'm in England, but I might say the main people that will log in will be in New York, but I'll put London just because obviously it sounds like I'm here. I'd click monitoring on here and leave everything else, and then I'd call it give it a name just so you'll know it, Happy Me Games Forum, and create. So now you will get a little line saying it's going to create your forum. Maybe takes a couple of minutes, and then you'll get an email forwarded to you with your details. So I'll just pause you while we do that. So it took about a minute to send. My voice just gone. What you got is now you've got an IP address for that forum, and you've got an email. I've got an email from Mailgun saying Happy Me Games is set up, and now I've got an email saying you can now set up your forum for Happy Me Games forum. I've got an email saying here's the IP address and here's the password to log in. So now what you want to